Hi friends, today I am preparing a simple and quick sweet prepared with very few ingredients, that is vermicelli payasa or kheer. To prepare kheer, I am using 1.5 cup of vermicelli. Since I am using the plain vermicelli, first I will roast it until golden brown. If you are using the roasted vermicelli, then there is no need for this step. The vermicelli is roasted. Now let's boil milk. I am using 2 glasses of water and 1.5 glass of milk. This water to milk ratio can be adjusted based on preference. Milk has boiled. To this I am adding the roasted vermicelli and half cup of sugar. We'll boil this until the vermicelli is cooked, that is until it turns soft. Keep stirring in between. The sugar and consistency can be adjusted if required. The vermicelli is cooked. To this I am adding small amount of cardamom powder and few cashews roasted in ghee. We can also include other dry fruits along with cashew. Simple and tasty vermicelli payasa is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye!